Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Mitra and today I'll explore the red flags and signals that you should not ignore for dementia. Dementia is a condition that affects millions of people all around the world, and early detection is crucial for better management and treatment. Before we get started, please first hit that subscribe button if you are not a subscriber, and then let's dive into it. Dementia is commonly associated or known with memory loss. But there are several subtle symptoms that most of the time go unnoticed. By recognizing these red flags, you can seek medical help and intervention at very early stage. First one is changes in cognitive abilities. For example, imagine that your grandpa, who was excellent at managing finances, suddenly struggling with paying bills or forgetting to do so. Difficulties with problem solving, concentration, decision making, and processing information can all be the silent signs of dementia. However, it's important to differentiate dementia from other causes such as depression. In depression, cognitive problems might be present, but they are more associated with lack of energy or motivation, rather than a decline in cognitive abilities. Another red flag is emergence of language and communication problems. Picture a grandma who always enjoyed joining the conversations, now struggling to find the right words or forgetting common vocabulary. These changes can unfortunately impact their social relationships and interactions. However, it's also important to consider other factors as well. Number 3, mood and personality changes. Mood swings, personality changes, and emotional instability can also be an indicator of dementia. Imagine, for example, your uncle, who used to be a very calm and controlled person, suddenly becoming easily irritable, anxious, or depressed without any apparent reason. These alterations in behavior can be distressing for both the person and the loved ones. However, it's important to differentiate these changes from depression. In depression, mood changes are associated with persistent sadness, loss of interest, and feelings of hopelessness, whereas mood changes in dementia are more unpredictable and may not always have an obvious cause. Number 4 is loss of interest. Pay attention to the loss of interest in activities that used to bring joy or engagement. For example, imagine your neighbor who used to have a beautiful garden but now neglects it and no more finds joy in tending to the plants. Such changes should raise concerns. However, it's important to consider other factors as well, such as depression. How can it be differentiated? Of course, you need a medical doctor to make the diagnosis, but in depression, loss of interest is the prominent feature and can affect various aspects of a person's life. The key difference is that in depression, the loss of interest is almost global and affects all the aspects of a person's life and all activities, but in dementia, it might be specific to some specific areas of life. Number 5 is spatial and visual difficulties. This is often one of the initial red flags, but sometimes overlooked. Imagine a scenario in which your aunt has trouble recognizing familiar objects, or frequently gets disoriented in familiar places, or has trouble finding the way home where she has been living for many years. Of course, in this scenario, it's also important to think about other factors leading to this problem, such as vision problems or medication side effects, and a comprehensive evaluation by a healthcare professional can help differentiate between these causes. Number 6 is problem with time and place. Losing track of time, dates, and seasons can be an indication of dementia. Imagine your friend's mom who frequently forgets about appointments or gets confused about the current time or location. She may struggle to follow a daily routine or even remember important events. However, it's important to consider other factors as well. Stress, fatigue, or multitasking can also lead to temporary lapses in memory or confusion. However, these changes in dementia are more persistent and progressive over time. And number 7, challenges in problem solving. Dementia can also affect a person's problem solving abilities. Imagine your cousin who was great at doing puzzles and riddles. Now finding it difficult even to solve simple problems. Difficulty in following instructions or planning ahead can signify cognitive decline and warrants further investigations. Again, it's important to differentiate these challenges from other factors such as stress or distractions. Depression can also affect problem-solving abilities, but in depression it is more related to lack of motivation or energy rather than cognitive abilities. And number 8 is repetitive behaviors. Repetitive behaviors such as repeating actions or phrases can also be an indicator of dementia. For example, imagine your neighbor's grandfather. He's repeatedly asking the same questions over and over, or engaging in repetitive activities like folding and unfolding clothes. These behaviors often stem from memory deficits and difficulties in returning new information. Other causes such as stress, anxiety, or habits may also lead to repetitive behaviors. So again, a professional evaluation is needed. And finally, recognizing these silent signals or red flags is crucial for better management of dementia. If you or any of the people around you are experiencing any of the symptoms or signs, especially the elderly, it's important to seek medical advice. Remember, early detection allows for better management and access to available treatments and support. It's important to work closely with healthcare professionals to differentiate dementia from other causes. And that's all for today's video. Hope it has been informative for you. Please like this video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and share this video with others. And please also subscribe my channel if you are not a subscriber. And take care of yourself, and see you next time.